for some reason.
Is that a jet engine of some form strapped to the back of a pickup flatbed?
Yeah. That's what that is.
You can start it. Oh my. Okay. Oh, pretty.
Yeah, I stood next to it the first time it went off because I was like,
Dead.
oh, yeah, I was like, oh, that's cool. You could test fire our jet engine, and then
Once.
my body ended up somewhere over in that
Over,
general direction.
I believe that.
Yeah. So,
Oh, that's funny shit.
all right,
All
balls.
right, it's 11:30. Balls.